Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about ternary operator in JavaScript. So using ternary operator, we can write 10 or 15 line of code in a single 2 or 3 line. So I'll give you first a if-else example, and using that if-else example, I'm going to show you the ternary operator. So first of all, let's go and declare variable. Let's say var number equal to 5. So here we'll give a if condition. If number smaller than 10, then we'll print something. Then we'll say over here document dot write, it will be number smaller than 10, and then we'll again give else condition. We'll say over here else, we'll say document dot write, let's just say over here nothing. So if here you can see, if the number is smaller than 10, then it will print number smaller than 10, else it will print nothing. So right now here you can see the number is already smaller than 10, so it will print number smaller than 10. So let me just refresh my browser. So here you can see number smaller than 10. So right now let's say over here 11. If we now save it, it will give us number, it will give us nothing. So right now how we can write this using ternary function. So let me just first make this if condition comment out. So here right now what we will do is that we'll declare a variable, let's say var result equal to, so here we are going to mention this if condition, and we can just simply write it over here number smaller than 10, and then we'll give a question mark, and then we'll just say this number smaller than 10. Let me just copy it and paste it here. So this will be the if condition, and in order to write else condition, we just need to give this clone over here, and then we can just say over here nothing. So right now, and indeed with a semicolon. So right now we'll just say over here document dot write to first bracket, and here we're going to write this result. So let me just copy it, paste it here. So right now it will check if the number is smaller than 10, then it will store this on this number smaller than 10 in this result variable. If this first condition is false, then it will store this nothing in this result variable. So here you can see we are able to simply just write this if else condition in just a single line. So right now if we save it, then if we now refresh, it will keep the nothing because over here the number is 11, so it will go to nothing. So right now let's just say over here number is 8. So right now it should give us number smaller than 10. So right now if we save it, then if we now refresh here you can see number smaller than 10. So what if you have instead of on, you have 3 condition. 3 condition means number smaller than 10, then number greater than 10. So right now how do we write it? In the if else condition, we just write over here else if, then to first bracket, then we would say over here number is greater than 10, like this, right? So let me just write it properly over here, and here we'll say number greater than 10. So if the value of number is greater than 10, then it will print this one, right? So how do we write this over here? So in order to write this, all you have to do is that we'll say over here number is greater than 10, then question mark over here, then we'll say this number greater than 10, and after it we'll say this one, which is nothing, which is the else condition. So right now if we save it, then if we now refresh here, it will give us the same output. So let's change the number from 8 to, let's say 18, save it. So it should give us this second one, which is number greater than 10. So right now if we refresh here, you can see number greater than 10. So yeah, this is how you can use ternary operation in JavaScript. So this will make your code really easier, and you can just write everything in just a single line, no matter how many conditions you have. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and I would like to really appreciate if you subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.